Marco. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be on the MS311 chainsaw that I just picked up. So stay tuned. It's all stock. I'm going to fire it up and go over it with you. So like I said, stay tuned and watch the rest of the video. Thumbs up. Thanks guys. My GoPro always shuts off on me. I have no idea when I talk funny and I don't know why. So anyway, this one you could see if you watched the last video, this one does have some marks on the bar. And I believe this is the 20-inch bar because I have the MS362 and it's got the 25-inch bar, which I think is still the same pitch, the same 404 pitch, which I have the file for that as well. Yep. No, that's 3/8. I lied. Well, I guess they're all 3/8. There's different diameters. Yeah, this is 5 millimeters, 5.2 millimeters. Yeah, this will sharpen this bar if I had it the right way, but I was just giving you guys an example. That's how you would sharpen it. This is a brand new file. I've only sharpened my other saw one time because I rarely use it. So in this video, I'm going to fire this one up and show it to you. And we'll go from there. Might end up porting this one. Not sure yet, but going to show it to you stock and just go over it. And if you have any questions, post them down below. So I'm going to fire it up here. I'm going to set you up. This thing fired up in real time, so bear with me. I'll try to throw some elevator music in the background so keep you occupied so you can watch. This thing's heavy. I don't know what the I don't know. I'll put the specs in the description so you guys can know the horsepower and whatnot. Alright. Once again, it hasn't been fired since early this morning when I bought it. This one has a compression release, but I don't ever use them. So tell me what you think about this saw. This seems to be like the overall saw. This is the one without the electronic carburetor. Like I said, I might do some tuning and port work and adjust the high and low screw on this one. If you guys have any tips on to get those caps off the high and low, I don't know if this one has it on it or not. Let me know. I haven't YouTubed that. I can't see in there. But like there's those caps that only let these go so far if you port them, so let me know. But yeah, she throws some bar oil. It was throwing it all over my everything. So yeah guys, kill this light. If you guys have one, post a comment, hit that like button, subscribe please. I really appreciate it, and stay tuned for more Stihl products. Thanks guys. Have a good one.